happy new year. So I hope you all have had an amazing time. I'm going to take you on a ride with me, but before that, if you guys are new to my channel, I would love for all of you to be a part of my video. So do not forget to press the subscription button and also press that little bell icon next to it so you get a notification every time I upload. As you can see, I'm right in the middle of a street and it's really noisy, so I'm very sorry for all the background noise because it was New Year and I wanted to do something nice. So we have taken two bikes. I have my sister's boyfriend, and another of my sister's boyfriend's friends who's also like a brother to me. So we have come around 25 kilometers away from my hometown and we are close to the Bangladesh border, and this is called the Behral forest. यहाँ से बांग्लादेश border कुछ 3 किलोमीटर की दूरी पे है, so we're going to try and see if we can see that, but you know it's already getting a bit dark.
Alright guys, so I decided to do a voiceover because it was really noisy on the streets, and so yeah, we set out from our home at around 3:30 p.m. Ideally I would recommend, because I was not aware, if you want to go to the Indo-Bangladesh border you need to be there by 1 p.m. तो ये जो रास्ता है ये अहमदाबाद के सामने से होते हुए जाता है, and it will take you around 30 to 40 minutes on a bike. I think a bike is more preferable because even though the roads are very well constructed, but it's a single lane, you know, and during this season, like the peak season, which is between Christmas and New Year, it gets a little busy. So yeah, I think a bike is a better option. Alright guys, also I'm really sorry about my voice. It's mostly because my tongue is injured and I'm taking some medication, so I'm really having a lot of difficulty talking, but I still had to do the voiceover because of the noise. What I really loved about this roads was that it is very well constructed, even though it's like in an extreme like, you know, village in a remote area. But also it had all the modern amenities, like there was electricity, very well constructed roads, the houses were really nice, and it also had a touch of township, if you know what I mean. Like it was a village, but even though it was not entirely a village. But if you want to visit this place during summers, I would want to request you to take into consideration that this is mostly a Muslim area, so people are very conservative with their clothes. It would make you very uncomfortable if you are not properly dressed.
god, look at the woods. Okay, so back to that. So this beautiful place that I am at is around 25 kilometers away from my hometown, and this is called the Behral Forest, and I'm right outside the Indo-Bangladesh border. I'll show you how close this is. So if you look at that fence, that is the Indo-Bangladesh border, and you can see this beautiful mustard fields all around. There are ponds everywhere, and the best part is the drive. It's beautiful. It's like you know, this curvy roads in between villages, but it's still in the middle of a town. Like, it's a small town and surrounded by villages. So there are so many people having picnics and everything. So if you want to have this, you know, one day where you want to chill, cook food in the winters, and this is an ideal trip that you can do during the day. I could have gone into that Indo-Bangladesh border area, but we were already late. Like, if you want to come here and enjoy the view inside, you will have to do that between 1 to 2 in the afternoon. It's open till 6, but for you to enter, you need to be here by 1 to 2 p.m. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I really wanted to do something nice and refreshing, because I believe that all the New Year's should bring some sort of a positive change in your life. Like for me, I have told myself that I'm going to be really positive this year. No matter what we have been through in 2020 shouldn't affect our lives this year. So this was my initial step towards attaining that goal. I wish you all a very, very blessed year. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and I will see you next time.